Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix mobile data on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you can't connect to mobile data, or if you are connected to mobile network but you can't use internet, then you should try swiping down from the top of your screen twice and clicking on mobile data to turn it gray so it's disabled, and wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then you can turn it back on to set it to white, and now check if mobile data works. Try going to any website, and if it still doesn't work, click on airplane mode and wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then disable it. And now it should connect. And if it still doesn't connect, you should restart your phone. To restart it, press and hold on two buttons at once, power and volume down. When the power menu shows up, click on restart, then click on it again, and now your phone will restart. And now when you unlock your phone, your mobile data should work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.